Hello everybody, have you missed me? I mean, it's been 8 to 12 months and I've not posted. No explanation? I don't have one at all. I literally have not got an explanation whatsoever. But anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can see by the title, I'm going to be making a mini egg cheesecake. I just thought this video idea because I love baking. And I was just like, I want to film it for you guys. And also guys, while you're at it as well, you can also follow the tutorial that I'm doing. I'm also going to list down below the recipe, which one I'm doing. So yeah, let's get started on making this cheesecake.
Before this video, I did measure everything out, just so you're aware, but it will be on screen. Put the digesters into a sandwich bag and using a rolling pin to make a smoother consistency. Now moving on to the butter, place your butter into a saucepan and melt the butter till smooth. Make sure you do keep your eye on the temperature so then you actually don't burn the butter. Then when the butter is smooth and your digestive base is good, combine them both together into a mixing pot and mix. I like using a wooden spoon, but any spoon works for this recipe. Once combined, put the mixture into cupcake liners, but obviously you can use a tin, but it's completely up to you what you prefer to use. Put the mini egg into another bowl and put to the side for later. Now put together the soft cheese and icing sugar together and add a tablespoon of vanilla extract and just whisk. I mean, sometimes it does depend how long it does take to whisk, but obviously every whisk is different, so just whisk until smooth. Once combined, just put it into another little bowl and put to the side for later. Now moving on to the double cream, put your double cream in a bowl and whisk. As you can see here, if you couldn't tell, I am using the KitchenAid whisk, but make sure that you do not over whisk your cream because you don't want it to look overly powdered. Once your double cream is done, add your other mixture. I'm using just a normal spoon, not a wooden spoon, and then just whisk. Obviously, again, it does depend how long it takes. Obviously, every whisk is different, but you can also use a wooden spoon or a spoon to mix, but whisking is just easier. So I do recommend getting a whisk. Even just a hand whisk is better than nothing. Once combined, put your mini egg into the mixture. As you can see, I've got quite a few, but this is like the smallest pack that I could find. Now with this whisk here, as you can see, I do put my whisk onto 8. That is the fastest one you can do, but obviously turn down the mixture if needed because you don't want everything going everywhere. That is like the worst thing that you could possibly do. Once everything is combined, I'm using a metal spoon just to put them in my digestive base. This is how I'm doing it. I mean, I should have used 2 spoons if I'm honest, but I decided to use 1 for some reason. So just add them on top. Do not overly do it, but just kind of do it minimized. Now put your cheesecakes into chill. I like to do it overnight if I'm honest, but you can do it in the day if you do it early. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and subscribe and like.